Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to play the Switch games in your MetaQuest 3 in 2026. Now to begin with, the Nintendo Switch cannot run directly on the MetaQuest 3. So instead of installing the games, you will be streaming or mirroring the gameplay from your Switch to your headset. For that, first of all, you need to connect your Nintendo Switch to a capture card, and then you need to connect that capture card to your PC. Now, on your MetaQuest 3, simply open a streaming or a desktop application such as Virtual Desktop, or you can use a browser-based remote desktop as well. This allows you to view your PC screen inside VR where your Switch gameplay is running. Alternatively, you can set up the remote streaming using third-party tools that mirror your Switch to your PC. Once mirrored, again use the virtual desktop or similar application on your MetaQuest 3 to access that screen in your VR. After connecting, you can resize the virtual screen inside your headset for a better viewing experience. You can also use controllers like Xbox or PS5 controller connected to the Quest for supported inputs depending on your setup. Just keep in mind that this method does not run the games natively and may introduce slightly latency depending on your setup quality. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel.